Hi everyone, my name is Laurence and I am a student at Montmorency College and I have been studying in my program for 1 year now, which is called Insurance and Financial Advising. With this program, I could become a financial advisor and analyze financial needs and developing a financial strategy adapted to every client. In the field of insurance, I can become a claim adjuster and settle claims. This program opens many doors to different professions. A crooked problem that someone in my program can face is the meaning of the financial product and their usefulness. That's why I found a website that can help people in my study field. With this website, we can create a glossary of the multiple word of financial subject or also insurance subject. So in the address bar, you just have to tap the virtual writing tutor. In the top right corner of the screen, you have the icons right there when you can share the website on the social media. You also have in the top left corner of the screen the logo of the website. You also have in the middle of the screen the text area where you can write a text and check your grammar and also count how many words you write. You'll also have the speaking button if you don't know how to write the word but you know how to pronounce the words. You also have the speaker right there when you can listen the words. So to click glossary, just have to click right there on writing tools, glossary creator. We're gonna create a new glossary today. We're gonna enter our title. Your title is already there, your topic. So my field study is insurance and financial advising. You can write an introduction or what is going to be in your glossary. The term you want to define, I'm going to define cost of living. The part of speech. And also, if you want to check your grammar, you can click on check grammar. The pronunciation, so the audio file right there.
Cost of living.
The definition of your word. So you just have to click on search Google and just have to copy paste the definition of Google. The translation, we're gonna make the translation in French. So you have to click on Go. So c'est le coût de la vie. You copy paste. You also can add an example of your words in a sentence. So you have, we're gonna choose this one, for example. So your words is right there. You copy paste again. And you can also add a picture. For this example, there's no picture that inspired me, but I'm gonna show you how to do it. They don't have a picture of cost of living. So we're gonna use this one, for example, more detail. Use this file. You're gonna copy paste the file URL. But you're not obligated to put a picture. And put it right there. And you can add a description of your picture. So there you go. I'm gonna show you an example of what it looks like when it's finished. You'll have all your words in the definition and the example in the sentence.
Indemnity.
So there you go. When you don't know the words of the meaning of the word, you can go in your glossary and it's gonna help you. So thanks for watching and subscribe to my blog and for more advising.